How to make a PB&J and not get attacked by birds. Step 1. Get ingredients from the store. At the store you will need to purchase peanut butter, jam, bread. Avoid things like mayonnaise. Once you have those, return home, but be advised, if you see a flock of birds flying towards you, now that you're home, find a tool fit for spreading. Then, place your slices of bread down and spread peanut butter evenly on one slice and jam evenly on the other. With that done, place your jam bread securely on your peanut butter bread. Be careful not to drop your jam bread, as it will fall jam side down.